Hi, I'm Stephen Florence, and I'm going to be talking to you about electrostatic generators for modern applications. One such application is offshore wind farms that currently use electromagnetic generators running at 600 volts AC. A DC converter is used to step this up to 100 kilovolts DC with up to 2% losses. Undersea cables feed this power back to a central station onshore that convert it to AC and synchronize it with the grid. My project was to investigate the use of electrostatic generators that would produce 100 kilovolts DC direct, reducing the losses incurred by the DC converter. Two types of generator were built and studied, the varying capacitor and the Benetti. This is the first electrostatic generator they built. It's a rotating varying capacitance type. A charge is put on the stator there at negative 91 volts. And as the rotor spins, the energy is extracted from the machine. And as you can see on the scope there, that as it spins, we're getting little pulses of power coming out. There's 2 pulses per rev, and as you can see, there's a 5 volt peak there. This is the second electrostatic machine that I built. It's called a Benetti machine. It was designed over 200 years ago. I'm using modern materials, of course. So the power source is the motor here, driven by the frequency controller, so I can adjust the speed. I've got that running through the belt to this shaft here. That drives these 3 belts to turn these acrylic discs. These acrylic discs run in different directions. So the outer 2 run clockwise, while the centre 2 run counterclockwise. That separates the charges that are put on here originally, and then separated them off to the positive and negative over here. It's DC and produces close to 200,000 volts out of these electrodes, which goes down to these capacitors. So you get a massive spark running across those two electrodes there. It's a very dangerous machine, and it's quite time consuming to build. Thanks for watching.